What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Hollywood here. We are back with another banger, and today we're going to be taking my wheels over to my friend Dawson's workplace so he can go ahead and put that ceramic coat on them so they can be all protected and shiny and whatnot. Because if you guys do not know, I have a 2020 BMW S1000rr, and I do have the carbon package that came with the carbon wheels. And if you don't know, carbon wheels are completely hard to keep clean. It doesn't matter what you put on them, whatever, they're going to be hard to keep clean. So hopefully when I put this ceramic coat on there, it's gonna make my bike pop a little bit more, it's gonna make it shine a little bit more, and it's gonna make me cleaning my bike, like, it's gonna be able to mitigate that time for me cleaning my bike. It takes usually maybe 5 minutes for me to clean the body, depending on how many bugs on the actual fairings and stuff like that. But when it comes to the carbon wheels, that takes anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes. I'm not gonna say per wheel, but I get pretty in depth. But I do, on my back wheel, I do have a lot of chain lube built up on there, so getting that removed is gonna be a task in itself. So hopefully he can tackle that job, and then after that we can slap a nice little layer of ceramic coating on there, and hopefully that'll be it. I won't have to do anything else. I'll just have to throw a little water on there, wipe it down, whatever he tells me to do. I don't know much about it. I do know you can either ceramic coat or you can PPF. Now my wheels, I'm going to ceramic coat them, but eventually I do want to get my front end of my bike, like the front fairings, I want to get that PPF because I do have some rock chips in there right now. But I do have another friend who's going to ceramic coat the other carbon bits on my bike. He can paint correct, and he's gonna ceramic coat the front end of my bike. Now eventually I do want to move into PPF, so maybe he can help me out with the PPF here and there. But I think Dawson, the guy I'm going to today, I think he's gonna be able to get pre-made custom cutouts for my fairings specifically. That way they are a flush fit. You know, you don't have to do much cutting and scarring up your paint and stuff like that. So first things first, I gotta go take my wheels off my bike, put them in the truck, and then we're gonna head over there to Dawson's workplace. Now when we get over there, it's gonna be dark outside, so obviously we're gonna be inside, and I'm gonna have superb lighting over there, hopefully. So real quick, before you guys comment, I do know that some of my tire stickers are peeling off a little bit. Don't worry about that, okay? Your boy be doing mock Jesus sometimes and be hitting the curves a little bit, and they just start to peel off and flake off and just go wherever they go. But tire stickers, if you're watching this, hit me up. Let's get a little sponsorship going, and yeah, holla at your boy. Let's get something going, man. You know, you can never add too many sponsors to the channel unless you're just not selling anything, and then you're gonna be up shit creek, because then you have a discount code, you're not selling anything. Hey, it is what it is. But I always have people tell me that my wheel stickers, they make the bike pop a little bit more. So props to tire stickers. Real quick before we get started, look how nasty these wheels are. Look at that, bro. Oh, I'm embarrassed. But this is the back wheel. This is what I was talking about. All this crap is caked up on here. Look at that. Oh man, these things are disgusting. But the boy Dawson's gonna do his magic. Ain't that right, Dawson? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. So let's get to it. Keep the montage. Coat is on. Look how glossy that looks. These wheels already look amazing. Compared to this crap. I know it's fucking dirty, but that's why we're here. That's why Dawson's taking over. So he's gonna revive them. He's gonna make them look good. Wipe that thing, boy, wipe it. And all this costed me was a tall boy twisted tea. Yep. Just jokes, just jokes. First wheel's done. Woo, woo. Look at that. That is crazy different. Oh my God. Sheesh. told y'all, he's the GOAT. He's the GOAT. What can I say? So the front wheel is done. Look how much glossier it looks. Like, it looks freaking insane. Now, obviously, I got a couple scratches. You know, I'm not proud of that. It bothers me so much. But, you know, a shop can only do so much to mitigate scratching up your wheels. You know, I've never been to a shop that hasn't scratched up a wheel. I mean, these are my first set of carbon wheels, so like, I can't speak for every single shop. And I've only been to one, or really two shops, and only one of them has actually put scratches on my wheel. But I think this is actually from myself, because when I take my calipers off to take my wheels off, I think I'm the one that's actually hitting my wheels. So I'm gonna take that one in the belt. But the second one in there, that's the shop all day. Like, and it pisses me off. But, you know, it is what it is, you know. God, look at that. He is doing his big one with this one. Look how gunky this one is. Oh. This is what I'm concerned about. This stuff. How thick it is. I think you got it? Nah. Dude, I love this shop so much. Like, one day, boys. One day, I should say. Look at this, bro. All this space in here. Dawson, what are you doing, boy?
I'm sitting here scrubbing this wheel and I forgot that I have shit that takes this off immediately.
Oh my God, put the gun down. We can talk about it. Yeah, this is like the perfect amount of space. And I know y'all can probably hear my camera like beeping right now, but that's like the autofocus thing doing its thing. But this is a lot of freaking space here. And I need something like this. But also, check out this Porsche. This thing is so sexy. Shee. Don't he look like a little mini MGK? Also, Trent, if you see this video, just know, taking your camera, all right, you got an A7R, you have a 24-70, right, 2.8 G Master lens. If you don't know anything about lenses or cameras, this is probably like upwards of $5 grand in my hand, bro. And a camera. This is something that I would want to upgrade to one day, but dude, this is a lot of freaking money. And also, I took some pictures on your camera, Trent. Hope you don't mind. He said you needed some pictures of the Porsche out there, so that's what I did, man. I got you some pics, man. Beautiful. All right, let's stop before we go way too far into this stuff. With that, I do love this camera, and paired with this lens that I have now, it has optical stabilization, so that way I don't have to upgrade a whole camera body and the lens and do adapters and all that. So like, luckily, I lucked out with getting this lens. I got scammed 2 times, guys. I tried to buy this lens 2 times, and the first guy, I paid him, he didn't send me the package. Second guy, it was like, it was a whole shit show, but like, we're here now, so yeah. But also, the one thing I hate about this camera is that it freaking eats through batteries. Like, I got a battery in my right pocket that's dead. This one's going dead right now, and I gotta put a 3rd battery in here. Luckily, I bought some batteries off of Amazon, so it is what it is. But God, I gotta find a way to like make these batteries last a little bit longer. And I'm only shooting in 280, 100 frames a second. So if you guys got any suggestions, let me know down in the comments. I told him they were bad. I was like, hey man, they're pretty bad. He's like, nah, I got something that'll take it right off. He's out there pressure washing. Did you get her clean? Did you get her clean?
Have us a look.
Ooh.
Boom, baby.
So you got her pretty clean, man. What happened to that stuff you said was gonna take it right off? You had to start pressure washing.
Well, it was taking it off, and then I remember I had even better tools at hand. That'd be much more efficient. So relocated for a second and took the efficient route where I rather did not feel like moving route.
Wheels are done. These things came out fantastic. The boy did his big one on this one. He did his big one. Ain't that right?
Oh, yes, sir.
But yeah, that's gonna wrap up the video. If you guys like the video, comment down below, subscribe. You got any last words? This thing is squealing like crazy.
If you guys want any corrections, ceramics, PPF, tint, hit us up, Vista Auto Spa.
Oh yeah, their card's right here.
Check us out. We're online.
Vista Auto Spa.
Yep. And then if you want like a quick preview of what we do, you can check out my Instagram at @boosty@. I got videos doing corrections, ceramics, etc., etc. So,
like I said, that's gonna wrap up the video. I wish this thing would shut up. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave a comment down below, and I will try my best to get back to you guys. If you're thinking about getting ceramic coating, watch this video. If your friends are thinking about it, send this video to them. And like always, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Ride safe, wear your gear. Keep chasing greatness. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.